Hello everyone, I am Sridevi Kalyani Kingi from TYB CSA department and my roll number is 316. So today in this video we are going to learn Bayes theorem in machine learning. What is Bayes theorem? A Bayes theorem is a mathematical rule used to update the probability of an event when new information becomes available. That means Bayes theorem update the probability of that event when new information becomes available. When the new information comes, Bayes theorem update the probability of next event what is going to happen. In simple terms, it helps answer what the probability of something happening given some like it can be said as what is the probability of something happening. Give some evidence. That can be said as a Bayes theorem in machine learning. So we can look the formula is here, that is understanding each. Let's deeply understand the terms of the formula. Understanding each term. P of A, prior probability, initial belief about event A before seeing the data. P of B and A, it is a likelihood, probability of evidence B when A is true. P of B is an evidence and total probability of evidence. P of AB, that is posterior probability, updated probability after seeing the evidence. It is the understanding of each term of Bayes theorem formula. So what is the step-by-step explanation? Let's start with an initial assumption, that is prior. Observe new data, that is evidence. Update your belief using the formula and get more accurate result, that is posterior. So we can say what is prior, that is P of A, that is start with an initial assumption, that is start with P of A. Next is observe new data, that is we have to look after the new upcoming data, that can be P of B and A. Update your belief using the data. Slowly update your data using the new data given and then get a more accurate result, that is posterior. And here the posterior is P of A and B. That is what the Bayes theorem denotes. The Bayes theorem is a mathematical rule used to update the probability of an event when new information becomes available. In simple terms, it helps to answer. That means Bayes theorem helps to answer what is the probability of something happening given some evidence. We can look after the formula of Bayes theorem, that is P of A and B, which is equal to P of B and A into P of A upon P of B. So understanding the terms of this formula, that is P of A is a prior probability, initial belief about an event A before seeing the data. P of B and A, that is a likelihood, probability of evidence B when A is true. It denotes the evidence of B when A is true. The next is P of B, that is an evidence, total probability of evidence, that equals to P of A and B, that is the posterior probability, which we want actually updated probability after seeing the evidence. Step-by-step explanation is start with an initial assumption, that is prior, observe new data, that is evidence, update your belief using the formula, get a more accurate result, that is posterior. So that's it. That is the Bayes theorem. Thank you.